चलिए कॉल कर जजमेंट्स 4 नहीं कोई बात नहीं सब 4 ही बजे
From supplementary list for order verified item 4, 2nd April 227 of 2006.
ऐसे नंबर 227 of 2006 the appeal is still detected as per office note. Further, pursuant to order dated 12/25, further the order dated 12/25 has also not been complied. Time till 9th of January is granted to the appellant to comply the order dated 12/2025. Further, time till 9th January is granted to the appellant to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate petition in connection with one or the other defect. Query which this appeal will stand dismissed without further reference to bench. ऑफिस को बोलिएगा अदर विदिन टाइम नहीं कुछ होता है तो इसको DT करके कम्युनिकेट करते हैं 2006 का सब करके हम लोग डिफेक्टिव नहीं रख सकते if this order is complied if this order is not complied there is no question of history of this case to the bench and if this order is complied post this case on what's the 2nd February on 2nd of February.
Item 5, 2nd April 98 of 2007.
till 9th of January 26 is granted to the applicant to remove the surviving defects, if not already removed. May remove the surviving defects. Failing which the subpoena shall stand dismissed without further reference to bench. If this order is complied, post on 2nd of February and the इसमें वो भी ऐड करना है or to file an appropriate application in connection with one or the other defect. Both the options are there.
Item 6, second appeal 89 of 2012.
तीन आए हैं, एक है इग्नोरिंग ऑफ डिफेक्ट, डिफेक्ट नंबर 1 एंड 2, शुड वैल्यू जो है इसमें जो है वही हम लिखे हैं, जो कर रहा है मेल नहीं खाता है, डिग्री है दोनों शुड वैल्यू अलग है वहीं से बिलो से, तो हम करेक्शन कर नहीं सकते हैं, इसको इग्नोर किया जाए।
Suit value is 10250. Where is the degree?
11547.
Where is the degree?
Degree is page number 26. Should value is 10,250. Appeal value is 1528.
26 का काम
26 में दाहिना से ऊपर में है, धनिया देरी के नीचे।
अच्छा अपील वैल्यू तो काट के ये तो ठीक हो के आ गया है।
अब आइए हम पहले डाले थे ना,
The suit value rupees 10,250.
250.
ये करेक्शन के लिए गया था कहीं से?
हाँ गया था।
और ऑर्डर कौन सा ऑर्डर है?
टाइम दिया गया था।
आपने उसके बाद जो फर्दर स्टैम्प रिपोर्टिंग हुआ उसको देखा है? मत देखना, बहुत अच्छा बात है। सारा डिफेक्ट रिमूव करिए, आपको और इसमें फर्दर कोर्ट फीस देना है 250 रुपये। वहाँ से करेक्शन होकर आ गया है 250 रुपये पर पीस ऑर्डर। और भी कुछ डिफेक्ट है, बहुत सारे
सब्स्टिट्यूशन डाला है, वो लिमिटेशन।
अभी कैसे लिमिटेशन सब्स्टिट्यूशन?
ठीक है, इसका कर लो।
अभी सारा डिफेक्ट आप रिमूव करिए, अभी कुछ बिना कोर्ट फीस दिए कुछ नहीं।
ठीक है।
SA number 89 of 2012, time till 9th of January is granted to the appellant to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate petition in connection with one or the other defects. आपका कौन सा आइए इग्नोरिंग द डिफेक्ट?
ये है आइए नंबर 11547।
RE number 11547 of 22 has been filed in connection with valuation of appeal, defect regarding valuation of appeal, which is defect number 1 and 2. However, from the perusal of the records, it appears that there has been fresh stamp reporting and it has been observed that there is shortfall of court fees to the extent of rupees 250. In view of the aforesaid, there is no question of ignoring any of the defects, ignoring defect number 1 and 2. Item number 11547 of 2022 is dismissed. कौन सा डिफेक्ट था? 1
में वही दोनों चीज एक ही चीज दिया।
हाँ ठीक है। अब आप सारा डिफेक्ट रिमूव कर लीजिए। 9 तारीख तक टाइम दिए हैं। अगर आप प्रीएम्प्टिव टाइम है 2 फरवरी के लिए बहुत सारे डिफेक्ट्स हैं। एक डिफेक्ट नहीं है, 12-14 डिफेक्ट है, देख लीजिए खाली।
Item 7, second appeal 630 of 2015.
Okay, time till 9th of January is granted to the applicant to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate petition in connection with one or the other defects. Failing which this appeal shall stand dismissed without further reference to bench. If this order is complied, post this case on 2nd of February 26 under Act. यही ऑर्डर सारा केस में करना है, ठीक है? अलग अलग ऑर्डर नहीं करना।
Item 8, second appeal 659 of 2015.
Same order.
Item 9, second appeal 601 of 2017.
Same order.
Item 10, second appeal 602 of 2017.
Nice, serial number 10. Same order.
Item 11, second appeal 603 of 2017.
Same order.
Item 12, second appeal 23 of 2018.
Respect to number 1 to 5. His name is not appearing in the decree note. After the decree, the appellant in the title appeal have died, and therefore an IA have been filed. In terms of notes, chapter 12, rule 96, seeking leave to prosecute this appeal. This is IA number 479 of 2018. Flag A.
Flag B.
Flag A note 479. There is two IA notes 479 will leave that.
When did the applicant number 5?
Appellant
When did he die?
8/10/2017 note. That is after the judgment have checked.
Where is the death certificate?
और डेथ सर्टिफिकेट को भी लगाएंगे
लगाना होगा ना?
इन्हीं के हाँ इन्हीं के बच्चे हैं लोग
जो लगाइए डेथ सर्टिफिकेट। ऐसे नहीं करेंगे। Represent the death certificate. IA number 479 of 2018. In SA number 23 of 2017. That is the only surviving defect.
yes and another is limitation note.
We'll see that. The counsel for the applicant has submitted that the The defect number 4 is in connection with appellant number 1 to 5. Who are the legal heirs and successors of plaintiff number 2, namely Ramkumar Singh, who is said to have died on 8/10/2017 after the disposal of the first appeal. However, the death certificate has not been enclosed along with the interlocutory application. The learned counsel for the appellant prays for and is granted time till 9th of January to file an affidavit annexing the death certificate of the plaintiff number 2. If this order is complied, post this case on second appeal.
Item 13, second appeal 36 of 2018.
Time will be given to
Same order condition. Previous वाला था ना? Yes.
Item 14, second appeal 50 of 2018.
Same order.
Item 15, second appeal 207 of 2018.
Same order condition.
Item 16, second appeal 267 of 2018.
Same order. These are all preemptory orders, right?
Item 17, second appeal 289 of 2018.
two defects there. One CC of the judgment of trial court and victim is here. I play for
Same order. 9 January तक preemptory time है.
certified
सर्टिफाइड कॉपी के लिए अप्लाई किए हैं तो आपको मिलेगा नहीं क्या?
time.
अगर टाइम नहीं होता आइए फाइल कर लीजिए, अप्लाई किए नहीं मिलेगा, रिकॉर्डिंग कॉल पर कर दीजिए. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Either you remove the defect or you file an interlocutory application in connection with one or the other defects. और वो भी 9 के पहले ही करना पड़ेगा. ऑर्डर होने के बाद ऐसा interlocutory application is not maintainable.
Item 18, second appeal 376 of 2018.
Same order.
Item 19, second appeal 387 of 2018.
Yes.
Defect number 3 and 4 has only been cited. Appellant number 2 is not party in decree. However, it is apparent from the decree that he is party. Appellant number 2 is Lachu. Appellant number 2 name is Laloja. Sam has been made party in degree. Name is there.
नेम ऑफ अपीला डाला तो ये है कि अपीला नंबर 3 और 4 को आपको करेक्शन करना है.
हाँ तो करेक्शन कर दिए हैं
कब करना है?
कि लर्नर रजिस्टर जिसको
डिफेक्ट बता रहे।
दोनों कर लक्ष्य जान जो 3 है ओरिजिनल 3 है उसको रिमूव कर दिया, वो रॉन्गली बन गया था, करेक्शन किया, उसके बाद इस साइड
ना तो आपके करेक्शन के पास सिग्नेचर है ना कोई डेट है। आप देखिए कैसे करेक्शन करते हैं, साइन वाइन नहीं करना होता है,
सिग्नेचर
कोई सिग्नेचर कोई इनिशियल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए ना।
it will be rectified. Other defect will I will verify.
एप्लेट डिग्री कहाँ है,
तीसरी है
पेज नंबर बताइए।
हाँ पेज नंबर 21
पेज नंबर 20।
name is there
किशुन यादव,
मनोज यादव, लालू यादव, लक्ष्य यादव, लालू और लक्ष्य के बारे में डिफेक्ट बोल रहा है।
एक सेकेंड,
लालू
एलियस नेम कहाँ से लिखी, एलियस नेम तो नहीं,
इसमें नहीं है लेकिन सिग्नेचर की
कैसे आप ऐसे कोई एलियस नेम डाल सकते हैं क्या, नहीं कर सकते आप इसको एकदम ठीक करिए, यू कांट गिव एन एलियस नेम लाइक दिस।
रिपोर्ट में आया है वो नाम किसी के डाल दो।
ये कहाँ रिकॉर्ड में आया है, डिग्री देख रहे हैं ना हम लोग, डिग्री में तो नहीं है कहीं, इट्स नॉट देयर। Appellant number 2 is not a party in the certified copy of the decree under appeal. मनोज यादव,
मनोज यादव है,
आपने कहा मनोज यादव को पार्टी बनाया,
मनोज यादव
कहाँ है मनोज यादव पार्टी,
मनोज यादव जो अप्रैल ने फाइल किया उसका पार्टी नहीं बनाया।
तो अपीलान अगर मनोज यादव को पार्टी नहीं बनाएंगे तो फिर उनको प्रोफॉर्मा तो बनाना पड़ेगा ना, कैसे चलेगा, हम नहीं जानते, आप अपना समझिए आपको क्या क्या करना है। ये सब डिफेक्ट रिमूव करिए, एलियस नेम सब डिफेक्ट रिमूव करिए, सब नहीं चलेगा।
ये अपील में अगर कोई अपीलेंट ने प्रेफर किया है तो परफॉर्मा बनेगा,
बनेगा, बनाइए। ये लालजीत यादव एलियस लालू यादव ये सब नहीं चलेगा, आपको एकदम यू हैव टू टैली इट अलोंग विद द डिग्री। ऐसे नंबर 387 of 2018। रिमूव करिए सारा डिफेक्ट, सेम ऑर्डर कर दीजिए, प्रिंट ऑर्डर 6 वीक्स तो हो ही गया 9 जनवरी। जो है आपका सारा एलियस नाम हटाकर ढंग से नाम नहीं रखिएगा तो आपका केस डिसमिस हो जाएगा। जिसको प्रोफॉर्मा बनाना है उसको प्रोफॉर्मा बना लीजिएगा, जो करना है चाहे आईए फाइल करके कर दीजिएगा चाहे कैसे भी।
Item 20, second to 389 of 2018.
Yes.
There was defect of action of the proposal.
There is a defect of court fees also. Same entry order. अब 20 नंबर तक तो आपने सेकेंड फरवरी का डेट दिया है ना, उसके बाद 21 to 40 का डेट हम लोग का नेक्स्ट डेट होगा 3rd of April, ठीक है?
April.
Item 21, second to 399 of 2018.
चलिए सेम ऑर्डर। Same order but 3rd of April.
Item 22, second April 11 of 2020.
respond number 1 का same order का
Item 23, second appeal 37 of 2020.
22 call आपको
Yes.
बताइए
Three defects. So for defect number one is concerned, it is in the certified copy of the judgment. It may be sent down for correction. And so far defect.
just a
number-
moment defect number 13 क्या है
The defect number 13 is appellant number 29 to 32 are not there in the improved judgment and decree. They are
29 and
29 to 32. And so the defect number 15 is that appellant number 6 is appellant number 6 has not been verified. So appellant number 6 died.
when did he die
He died on 11/11/2019 after passing of the improved judgment. And before
उसके लिए आइए फाइल करना
that I
पड़ेगा
have filed. That is
जो मैंने डेथ सर्टिफिकेट है साहब
yes.
बताइए कौन सा आइए
IA number 44590 of 23. Flag B.
IA number 4459 of 23, NSE number 37 of 2020. This petition has been filed under Rule 97 of High Court of Jharkhand Rule 2001, stating for in connection with removal of defects, defect number 13 and 15. The counsel for the appellant has submitted that the appellant number 29 to 32 have preferred this appeal as (32) कौन है योगेश्वर शुक्ला को भी तो आप पार्टी बना दिए हैं 32
Jageshwar Shukla died.
तो ही डाइड ना तो उसको क्यों पार्टी बना दी
That I think.
ऐसा कैसे योगेश्वर शुक्ला was a party in the proceedings 29 to 31 are his legal years
Yes.
from where do I get this
Stating you could not get it from the record. But I am stating on oath.
तो ये है ही नहीं योगेश्वर शुक्ला was party number defendant number defendant थे appellant plaintiff थे कौन डिग्री बताइए ना डिग्री में कहाँ है योगेश्वर शुक्ला 32 And he submits that Yogeshwar Shukla, who was a defendant in the suit, has expired on 11/11/2019, and therefore appeal number 29/31 have been included in the memo of appeal. आशुतोष शुक्ला को कैसे पार्टी बनाया है? 32.
He is grandson of Jogeshwar.
कहाँ से पता चला? कैसे पता चलेगा? जोगेश्वर शुक्ला के 3 ही बेटे हैं। आपका कोई पिटीशन है ही नहीं इससे रिलेटेड। ग्रैंडसन ऑफ जोगेश्वर शुक्ला। And he submits that appellant number 32 is a grandson of late Yogeshwar Shukla, and therefore the defect in connection with appellant number 29 to 32 be ignored, and they may be permitted to pursue this appeal. The learned counsel has submitted that in the interlocutory application certain errors with respect to the certain error has been committed. However, the memo of appeal reveals the correct position. He has also submitted that the death certificate, the document showing date of death of Yogeshwar Shukla on 11/11/2019 has been placed in the interlocutory application. Considering the affected submissions, the defect number 13 and 15 is ignored for the present, subject to any objection that may be raised by the respondents. And the appellant number 29 to 32 are permitted to pursue the present appeal in the capacity of legal heirs and successors of Yogeshwar Shukla, who is said to have expired after passing of the judgment and decree by the learned first appellate court. आइए डिस्पोज ऑफ और बाकी डिफेक्ट्स का क्या करें?
So, defect number 12 is concerned, it relates name and parentage was not there.
The office is directed to
Therefore, it is
send back the certified copy of the decree under appeal to the learned court. कहाँ का है?
पलामू
स्पेशल मैसेंजर कॉस्ट जमा करेंगे?
This is not my fault. Had it been my fault, I would have done this. It is not my fault.
Special messenger cost नहीं to the concerned court for correction. Post this case on 3rd of February. अपना फॉल्ट कभी दिखाई नहीं देता। आईए में क्या क्या लिखे हैं दिखाई नहीं दिया आपको? अलाउ करने लायक था? नहीं था ना? हम लोग ध्यान नहीं देते हैं आप लोग की गलतियों पर। देखिए कोई भी केस को अगर जल्दी करना है ना तो आपको कुछ एफर्ट 100 रुपये लगता है स्पेशल मैसेंजर कॉस्ट। इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील। नहीं हम नहीं जानते। नहीं पर जब आप दूसरे की कोर्ट की गलतियां निकालते हैं तब हम बोलते हैं कि आपकी सारी गलतियों को तो हम लोग इग्नोर करके रखते हैं। आपका डिफेक्टिव पिटिशंस को भी अलाउ कर देते हैं। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, वकील साहब से लिखने में गलती हो गई, इसीलिए इतना जोर से बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। कोर्ट की गलती है, कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है, it's okay.
Item 24, second appeal 76 of 2020.
Yes. Defect number?
15. Some of the respondent is certified problem here. Some of the respondent are interested.
Supplementary affidavit has been filed. वन एंड टू क्यों नहीं रिमूव किया? It may be sent to the concerned court. Okay. 1 and 2, 4, it has to be sent to the concerned court. Defect number 15 has been partly removed. With respect to defect number 1, 2 and 15, the office is directed to send back the decree under appeal for correction. To the concerned court, specifically indicating the defects as has been pointed out. Post this case on 3rd of February.
Item 25, second appeal 184 of 2020.
Yes.
So we can see defect number one lordship. Therefore, the I number 817.
What is defect number 1?
The full value is missing of the judgment and decree of the learned trial court lordship. But the appeal value has been mentioned in the judgment and decree of the learned first appellate court lordship.
Oh, there was an order dated 9/5/25 in CMP number 918 of 24. The defect number 1, 4 and 6 of other SR has not been removed. So आप अपना restoration order को क्यों नहीं comply किए?
डिफेक्ट नंबर 1 देखा जाए इसके लिए
इसका restoration order.
उसके लिए एक्सटेंशन ऑफ टाइम के लिए लॉर्डशिप में एक आईडी पिटीशन फाइल की है।
So क्या करें?
4789 of 2023 Lord. अपील वैल्यू 15,000 लिखा।
There was a direction to remove the defects within 8 weeks. You have not taken.
Therefore, Lord, I have been filed for further extension of time for removing defects.
देखिए आपको आइए जो भी आप फाइल करिए ना इस पर ऑर्डर हो जाना चाहिए बिफोर द एक्सपायरी ऑफ द टाइम। आइए फाइल करके सोने से नहीं चलेगा ना, आपका सेकेंड अपील डिफेक्टिव चलते रहेगा। समीर जी एक भी केस यहाँ पे लिस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर टाइम में आइए कोर्ट में भी नहीं आया ना, नहीं हम बता दे रहे यहाँ पर एक भी प्रीएम्प्टिव ऑर्डर यहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए। जो आइए पड़ा हुआ है पड़ा रहने दीजिए, यहाँ पे लिस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। और यहाँ पे जो भी आदमी बोले कि आइए कहे तुरंत लिस्ट कर दीजिए। वी हैव नो इश्यूज ऑन दैट। प्रीएम्प्टिव टाइम एक्सपायर होने के बाद आइएगा इस तरह से नहीं हो सकता। मरने के बाद इंजेक्शन नहीं लगता है ना। आइए अगर फाइल किए हैं तो तुरंत लिस्ट करा दीजिए, सब कोई बात नहीं। बताइए क्या है, सूट वैल्यू इज मिसिंग, इट मे बी सेंट बैक।
देखो से आई है फाइल 8174
ओके
और इग्नोर द डिफेक्ट और जजमेंट।
और आगे बताइए डिफेक्ट नंबर 4।
बाकी के लिए हम लोग रिमूव कर देंगे लोग।
4 and 6 आप कर देंगे रिमूव।
जी डिफेक्ट नंबर 1 के लिए लोग से एक्टिवेटेड ऑर्डर में भी पास।
ऐसे नंबर 184 of 2020 in connection with defect number 4 IA number 8174 of 25 has been filed as the defect number 1 can be removed by sending the decree to the concerned court for correction. So far as other defects are concerned, the learned counsel for the appellant undertakes to remove the same. Considering the submission, IA number 8174 of 25 is disposed of, and with respect to defect number 1, the
1 के लिए 8174
8174 disposed of.
1 के लिए
The certified copy of the decree under appeal be sent back to the concerned court, indicating the error in the decree. The other remaining defects, that is defect number 4 and 6, इसके लिए भी आपने आइए फाइल किया
जी
487
4789 लोग।
इसके लिए क्या चीज के लिए आप फाइल किया?
Further time may be granted for compliance of order of this one.
With respect to other defects, the same is permitted to be removed by 9th of January 26. Failing which this appeal will be dismissed without further reference to bench. Post on 3rd of February.
IA number also may be listed.
दोनों disposed of.
No.
IA 817425 is also disposed of with IA number 4789.
Item 26, second appeal 212 of 2020.
This case actually has been going to overcome the case number 3, which says that the appeal number 4 has not executed the Wakalatnama. In this case, what had happened before the execution and filing of the appeal, the respondent number 4, appeal number 4 has left the company of this appellant. Therefore, we have filed an application for making her as a pro bono of the party.
Execution of appellant number 4 is missing in the Wakalatnama.
Yes. She left the company before the appeal was filed, therefore, we could not obtain the Wakalatnama. Therefore, we filed
She was representing the company or she was the party in her individual name?
No, she was the party, she was the title, so she was the party, not individual.
But she was a party in this suit and as well in the appeal also.
Where is the party position? Where is the decree?
This could be apparent from the decree in appeal.
Yes.
She has been shown as one appellant number 4 for the learned first appellate court,
Jalo Devi.
Jalode.
So, Vakalatnama of Jalo Devi has to be filed.
Yes, has to be filed, but we could not trace her.
That's it.
Therefore, we have
So
filed an application.
she will not be a co-applicant.
She will not be co-appellant. She will not be former respondent होगी ना.
हाँ. और उसके बाद आप बोलते हैं कि क्या कंपनी चेंज हो गया इसका?
The company नहीं change हुआ. She has left the company of the appellant.
अच्छा, okay.
Company of the appellant.
Okay. Right. Essay number 212 of 2020 with Ali number 13416 of 2020. The learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that as per defect number 3, the applicant number 4 has not signed the vakalatnama,
Executed the order.
has not executed the vakalatnama. He submits that into the PT application has been filed for transposing the applicant number 4 as pro forma defect respondent number 5. And he submits that the defect may be known. Considering the aforesaid submissions, IA number 13416 of 24 is allowed. The counsel for the applicant is directed to delete the name of applicant number 4 from the cost title and insert her name as pro forma respondent number 5 in the cost title during the course of the day. IA disposed of. The defect number 3 does not survive anymore. अब तो और कुछ नहीं बचा इसमें.
और कुछ लगता नहीं फिर बात ऑफिस और डिफेक्ट देखेंगे तो देखेंगे बाद में.
अब कौन सा डिफेक्ट है?
लगता तो नहीं है लेकिन अब ऑफिस से.
Post this case on 14th of December under Act.
14 तो
December. अगला साल कर देंगे
अगला साल.
और उसके बाद वाले साल भी कर
नहीं
देंगे.
नहीं उससे अगला साल.
5 साल हो गया आपका.
अगला साल
नहीं करेंगे.
14
14th December.
कर रिमूव कर देंगे. फाइल
5 साल हो गया सेकेंड अपील अभी तक आप किसके मरने का वेट कर रहे हैं?
नहीं अभी याद भी नहीं पड़ रहा क्या क्या है इसमें.
वही लिटिगेंट भी भूल गया होगा कि केस फाइल की.
Item 27, second appeal 26 of 2021.
Yes, madam.
There is two defects in regard to certified copy of trial court judgment and affidavit judgment. For that, you are filing 4-7 and other defects will be removed your ordinary course of the day. Others are removable.
Which defects are not removable?
Defect number 2 and 5 will be these are certified copy.
Certified copy. Why is it not removable? There should be some reason. 2 and
5.
5. What is defect number 5? What is it? What is defect number 5?
Certified copy of judgment of affidavit court.
Advocate General of Jharkhand is missing at the certificate.
Defect number 6. Certified copy of judgment.
Defect number 5 भी तो है ना?
Yes, please. All other defects are removable that can be removed during the course of the day.
No, there is, your certificate is defective. This certificate has to be signed by the council. इसके लिए आपको कोई किसी का जरूरत नहीं है. How do you say it is not removable? Certified copy of the appellate court And defect number 2 and 6.
Yes.
So everything you have to remove. You remove the defects. There is nothing to be ignored. The time till 9th of January is granted with the applicant to remove the surviving defects. Great. Remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate interlocutory application in connection with one or the other defect. 20. If this order is complied, post this case on 3rd of February.
Item 28, second appeal 109 of 2021. Item 28.
This 28, the order has already taken its effect. कौन है इसमें? इसका जरा CMP का ऑर्डर दिखाइए. हाँ बताइए, आप क्या इसमें? You're there in this case. आपका क्या नाम है? आप ही का केस है ना? सेम ऑर्डर. एक बार इसमें जो है ना रेस्टोर हो चुका है. इस बार अगर रेस्टोरेशन होगा ना 1 लाख रुपए से कम पड़े. सेकेंड टाइम रेस्टोरेशन वाले सब केस में जो है ना 1-1 लाख रुपए कॉस्ट लगेगा. उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है ना. हम तो बस इट इज अलाउड टू द अपीलेंट. अपीलेंट मीन्स द अपीलेंट. आपने एनओसी दे दिया है तो विड्रॉ करना है क्या? कुछ नहीं करना, कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, बट ऑर्डर विल बी देयर. आपके इसमें और दूसरे लोग भी हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी एडवोकेट्स. चलिए नेक्स्ट केस. सेम ऑर्डर.
Item 29, second appeal 205 of 2022.
Yes.
Well, the removal with effect, like around 14 days. I already filed the I for subscription. I have filed for the implementation commission delay.
कब डेट हुआ अपीलेंट नंबर 9 का? What is the date of death?
2021.
And what is the date of appellate court's decree?
2018.
डिक्री का डेट बताइए.
21/8/18 जो डिग्री है 1/9/18.
And he died during the pendency of this.
No, after the degree,
After the-
after the degree of he was ill and ultimately he died. Was a plant number 9 in the rate of
देखिए आई नंबर 12230 of 24 with आई नंबर Limitation का कौन सा?
416.
4161 of 2023. और ये तो दूसरा है, खाली यही लिखिएगा। आई नंबर 12230 of 24 in essay number 205 of 2022. Council for the applicant has submitted that the original that Narayan Thakur had expired on 18/1/21, whose death certificate has been placed on record. And he died after the passing of the appellate court's decree. And therefore, the appellant number 11 to 14 have been added as a party in the memo of appeal. Who are his legal heirs and successors. And he submits that the appellant number 11 to 14 be permitted to pursue the present appeal. Considering the associate submissions, IA number 12230 of 24 is allowed. The appellant number 11 to 14 are permitted to pursue the present appeal, being the legal heirs of Narayan Thakur, subject to any objection that may be raised by the respondents. IA is allowed. अभी तो कोई और डिफेक्ट नहीं है.
Limitation petition.
Office is directed to place this case under appropriate heading on 15th of December.
Item 30, second appeal 213 of 2022.
And we will remain notice for removing all defect clause.
इसमें सेम ऑर्डर करेंगे. तो एंट्री टाइम है 9 जनवरी तक का. और ये कौन सा आइटम है?
30.
The next date would be 3rd of February.
Item 31, second appeal 223 of 2022.
The legislative effects are still surviving, case number 1, 2, and 9. 4 weeks pending.
Same order.
Item 32, second appeal 7 of 2023.
Same order.
Item 33, second appeal 17 of 2023.
Same period.
Same order.
Item 34, second appeal 19 of 2023.
Same order. आइए for extension of time close कर दें. Extension of time किस लिए? There is a 34.
All the defects are being investigated. Just defect number one is still surviving, that is uh, revised code P34.
टू एंड फाइव क्या है आपका डिफेक्ट? What is defect number 2 and 5?
Defect number 2 is the address and details of respondent number 2 in the certified copy of the decree that is differs from the applicable journal.
So how will you remove defect number 2 and 5?
Maybe second.
ये कौन बोलेगा? रेस्टोरेशन के बाद?
Yeah.
कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है। केस डीएटी कराते रहिए, रेस्टोरेंट कराते रहिए, आदमी को मरने दीजिए। लेट पीपल डाई विदाउट जस्टिस।
I understand. This is my point.
With regard to defect number 2 and 5, the office is directed to send back the connected record, a certified copy of the decree under appeal for correction from the concerned court. So far as other defects are concerned, the same is permitted to be removed by 9th of January 20. Post on 3rd of February. आइए close.
Item 35, second appeal 50 of 2023.
This is converted from a miscellaneous appeal to a second appeal.
Same order कर दीजिए.
Item 36, second appeal 63 of 2023.
How do you need respond number 6 to 13 and 19 to 31 as partly in this memo?
So defect 6, 7, 8, 9 चार्ट पे बाकी है तो आइए फाइल करें
क्या ये करते हैं?
डिफेक्ट 6 में है ऑथेंटिकेशन फीस 360 रुपये 25 और 7 में है डिफेक्ट नंबर 2 to 15 and respondent number 6 has not been made party in this matter. और 8 में है respondent number 6 to 13 and 19 to 31 of this memo are not party in CC of the
क्या ऐसा करते हैं?
I pray for time.
आपको हम पहली बार देख रहे हैं. क्या नाम है?
दीवार कांता
यही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं.
करुणा कोई
हाँ.
करुणा कोई
ये सब डिफेक्ट रिमूव करना इतना आसान नहीं होगा. फ्रेश वकालतनामा भी आपको फाइल करना पड़ेगा. हम दे रहे हैं आपको 20 टाइम या आइए फाइल कर दीजिए जो भी समझ आए। सेम
Item 37, second appeal 64 of 2023.
सेम ऑर्डर।
Item 38, second appeal 65 of 2023.
The second is of 23/1/23. In the second stamp report in defect number 5, that is POPS name of respondent number 29 to 32 is missing in the decree under appeal. POPS name is missing. So we should ignore the same name. Otherwise it has to be sent to the appellate court for separate.
SA number 65 of 2023. Then the caution for the applicant is that the defect number 5 be ignored for the present, as only the POPS of respond number 29 to 32 is missing in the certified copy of the decree under appeal. Considering the submissions, the defect number 5 is ignored for the present. Rest defects.
And we remove there are spelling errors with respect to names.
He undertakes to remove remaining defects. He plays for and is allowed to remove the surviving defects, the remaining defects, by 9th of January 26, brain treatment. If the defects are removed in time, post on 3rd of February.
Item 39, second appeal 66 of 2023.
There are 4 surviving defects in 6 weeks time. Defect number 1, 2, 5, and 6.
Same order. Same order means brain treat till 9th of January. On 3rd of February.
Item 40, second appeal 68 of 2023.
Two defects are there. Defect number 2 is required to be ignored. The defect is details of the parentage of the sole appellant may be given as per certified copy of the judgment decree under appeal. No not shall this case be any. This case relates to the parentage of the person concerned who is the appellant before it. No not should be kindly turn to page number
You were the dependent in the court?
No not should be were the yes not should be were the we were the appellant apprentice.
Plaintiff. So your
Yes,
your
yes, therefore,
details you must have given yourself?
Yes, I'm going to finish. What should I turn to page 40? That is the judgment of the present trial.
Page 40.
That's what? Page 40. We have given son of late Murli Ghosh.
Yes.
And in appeal lordship at page 12.
Yes.
Page 12 में देखा जाए ये दे दिए हैं ये स्मार्ट नंबर 1 का देखा जाए तो अशपुना को son of late Bhuku Ghosh falsely claiming as son of late Murli Ghosh. And therefore what we have stated.
That's right. SA number 68 of 23. Counsel for the appellant submits that the defect in connection with the defect number 2 in connection with the parentage of the sole appellant be ignored. He submits that the appellant was a plaintiff and in the trial court he had declared himself to be son of late Murli Ghosh, Muruli, Ghosh, Ghosh. He submits that before the first appellate court, the parentage was wrongly mentioned, and therefore the name does not tally with the decree under appeal.
Degree under appeal.
He submits that the defect failed. Considering the aforesaid submissions, the defect number 2 is ignored. Counsel for the appellant is permitted to
Make a slight correction. It used to have used.
make appropriate correction in the cause title of the memo of appeal with regard to his name in the light of the details furnished before the learned tribunal. Same address है?
हाँ सब चीज़।
तो उसको बस उसी को जो आपको करना है
खाली बुक करना है।
वो आप करो during the course of it.
हाँ अभी तक। और दूसरा उस रिकॉर्ड
हम फ्लैग भी कर दिया
एक फर्दर डिफेक्ट जो है उसके लिए आप जस्ट सीकिंग 2 वीक्स टाइम और 280 रुपीस का एक हमको देना होगा।
So far as survived, other defects are concerned. वही same order आपका आएगा 3 तारीख 9th February तक है पेंडिंग. It will come on 3rd August.
Item 41, second to 69 of 2023.
अब जो डेट्स पढ़ेंगे वो
Defect number 2.
3 के बाद 4 तारीख का 4th February का डेट नेक्स्ट वीक. हाँ बताइए.
Defect number 2. Word Jharkhand may be mentioned in the last para of the certificate. और दूसरा है आपसे court fees para
तो आप सेम ऑर्डर आपको रिमूव करिए. 9th January तक का आपको टाइम देंगे.
जी
चलिए नेक्स्ट डेट 23 है.
Item 42, second to 71 of 2023.
सेम ऑर्डर.
Item 43, second to 72 of 2023.
सेम ऑर्डर कर दीजिए. सर मैं आईए का भी रहेगा है ना. इस सब चीज़ों में आईए फाइल करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. नहीं होता रजिस्ट्री.
Item 44, second to 73 of 2023.
2 weeks time लगेगा. Only one defect with regard to court fees.
सेम ऑर्डर. कोर्ट फीस के बिना कोई डिफेक्ट पॉइंट आउट ही नहीं है.
बाद में पॉइंट आउट करूंगा उसकी कोर्ट फीस इतना का होता है.
Item 45, second to 74 of 2023.
There are two defects, as indicated in the office note which survives. So that will be removed by filing of the same. As regards the courtesies defect, stamp reporting, it indicates the report of the stamp reporter on 26/4/2023 also, that those defects. So one of the defect is defect number 5, pretty sure. It talks about the parentage of respondent number 9 was not there in the impugned judgment. So that was sent out for correction that it has come back. But we, at the onset of filing the memo booking, we had indicated the parentage of respondent line
Just
itself.
check it, you have to
No,
verify.
we have actually verified it, Leadership, that parentage is safe. Tapan Chandra, father's name, Pramanik, has been already mentioned in the memo booking.
ठीक है, इसमें कुछ करना है पर कुछ है ही नहीं।
हाँ, करना तो
Same order कर दीजिए। 9 January.
Item 46, second appeal 75 of 2023.
Please same order.
Same order.
Item 47, second appeal 78 of 2023.
One is the shortage of OT, just you or five some OT shortage like that, non-detect with that. And one is 45, which I will send back to the lower court for verification.
It has come.
That has come to the problem units. Verified. Verification, other than verification part, your I will do it.
When was it sent back? Has not been mentioned in the memo. वहाँ मेमो ऑफ अपील में ही मेंशन नहीं है तो क्या होगा?
नहीं वहाँ जो उसमें था
हाँ तो सेम टू सेम वापस आ गया। With regard to defect number 3, it has been pointed out by the office that the certified copy of the decree under appeal was sent back to the learned court, but the same has been returned without correction by stating that the parentage of respondent number 9 was not mentioned in the memo of appeal as well as in the plaint. Considering the aforesaid, the defect number 3 is invoked for the present.
Rest of the defect I will 3 weeks time.
So far as remaining defects are concerned, the same is permitted to be removed by 9th of January 26. If the defects are removed within time, post on 4th of, if this order is complied, post on 4th of February. Submit I got to file appropriate interlocutory application in connection with one of the other defects. जो हमने कहा standard order.
Item 48, second appeal 79 of 2023.
I could raise an update for the certified copy.
चलिए same order कर दीजिए 20.
Item 49, second appeal 86 of 2023.
Same.
Item 50, second appeal 89 of 2023.
Same. 9th January तक आपके पास time है.
Item 51, second appeal 91 of 2023.
Same order.
Item 52, second appeal 92 of 2023.
Chaliye same order.
Item 53, second appeal 93 of 2023.
Defect number 1 and 2, there is a defect in the certified copy of judgment and decree. That may be sent to you. And other defects are removed in it.
Okay, AC number 93 of 23. With respect to defect number 1 and 2, the certified copy of the trial court decree as well as the certified copy of the appellate court decree be sent to the concerned court for correction. The office to point out the specific defects as pointed out. So far as the other defects are concerned, the counsel for the applicant raised for it and is granted time till 9th of January to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate application in connection with one or the other defect claim. Post on 9th. Post on 4th of February.
Item 54, second appeal 94 of 2023.
Same order.
Item 55, second appeal 31 of 2024.
Under defect number 2 was already filed, elimination and court fees and 3 defect are please time manner, remove the defect.
सूट वैल्यूएशन में फर्क है डिफेक्ट नंबर 10 from that of the memo of appeal. So the same order.
Item 56, second appeal filing number 6864 of 2024.
Yes.
Chairman,
Yes.
pointed out in the option, name is different from the work number.
made as per the imperial. Surname is surname of the
So you have to match it, no? तो आपको करेक्शन करना ही पड़ेगा।
correction करें। इन प्रेस को नामा नहीं बोल रहा है।
तो फाइल करना पड़ेगा ना।
इसको एजेस कर
एलियस कैसे करेंगे? आपको उसका प्रेस वकालतनामा फाइल करना पड़ेगा। अपने हाथ से वकालतनामा में एलियस थोड़ी बना सकते हैं। कैसे बनाइए? नहीं हो सकता ना एलियस नेम। एलियस नेम नहीं हो सकता। क्या नाम से साइन किया?
कुमार एज पर द इंक्लूडेड कुमार है अशोक कुमार साइन किया अशोक यादव इंडिया महतो एज पर द इंक्लूडेड महान यादव
एलियस नेम ऐसे परमिट नहीं कर सकते। आपको मैच ही करना पड़ेगा। नाम तो वही रहेगा, आप साइन कुछ भी कर देंगे।
आधार कार्ड वगैरह में तो नाम इस तरह से उस तरह से लोग करते हैं। इंक्लूडेड में तो पहले जो मोबाइल में सूट था उसके
सूट में आप कौन थे? प्लेंटिफ की डिपेंडेंट? आप सूट में प्लेंटिफ थे कि डिपेंडेंट थे?
डिपेंडेंट
और एप्लेट कोर्ट में? अपील कौन फाइल किया?
फाइल किया है रिस्पोंडेंट सोवर
ऐसे नहीं होगा ये। आपको आईए फाइल करना पड़ेगा। आपको सब परमिशन करना पड़ेगा। नाम चेंज करने का परमिशन नहीं दे सकते। एलियस में डालने का परमिशन नहीं दे सकते। आप अपना वकालतनामा में जो जैसे भी साइन करना है करिए। एलियस नाम कॉस्ट एक्टिंग में एलियस नाम नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका कोई एलियस नाम पहले नहीं है।
I made party in name of you.
आपको आईए फाइल करना पड़ेगा। आप लेकिन पार्टी तो हम लोग परमिशन नहीं देंगे नाम की। आपका वकालतनामा में एलियस नाम रहेगा तो आपको फ्रेश वकालतनामा फाइल करना पड़ेगा।
बाकी तो इंक्लूड ऑर्डर के तहत ही बनेगा।
इंक्लूड ऑर्डर के तहत ही पार्टी बनेगा। वकालतनामा में अगर कोई भी नाम है तो आपको उसको फ्रेश वकालतनामा चाहे कैसे भी करना पड़ेगा।
फ्रेश वकालतनामा में तो आ जाएगा कि आपका आधार कार्ड में ये नाम है
आईए फाइल करिए। आईए फाइल करना पड़ेगा आपको। आधार कार्ड लगा के आईए फाइल करिए, लेकिन नाम तो नहीं चेंज करने देंगे।
आईए में तो नाम एजेस तो करना पड़ेगा। आईए में तो नाम तो एजेस करना पड़ेगा।
वो आप देखिए आप क्या आईए फाइल करना। आपने कभी अपने नाम पर ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं किया डिपेंडेंट बनकर? ट्रायल कोर्ट में रिटन स्टेटमेंट फाइल किए थे कि नहीं किया? Did you file your written statement or you did not file your written statement? आपने रिटन स्टेटमेंट फाइल किया है। अगर आपने वहाँ पे अपने नाम वाम को लेके कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं किया है तो हम लोग इसको कैसे करेंगे बताइए। इग्नोर नहीं कर पाएंगे, सेम ऑर्डर कर लेंगे। वो तो हम ऑर्डर में परमिशन रहता है, लेकिन विद इन टाइम लेकर अगर आप लिस्ट नहीं कराइएगा तो आपका केस डीएफडी हो जाएगा। आइए फाइल करना है तो कर दीजिए, लेकिन विद इन टाइम केस लिस्ट होकर ऑर्डर होना चाहिए। हम तो आपको ज़्यादा टाइम दे देंगे, 9 जनवरी तक का टाइम। ये कौन सा सीरियल नंबर था?
ये 56 आइटम 57 सेकंड अपील फाइलिंग नंबर 6870 of 2024.
सेम ऑर्डर कर दीजिए।
Item 58 second appeal filing number 7146 of 2024.
Same order. Pre-entry orders, right?
Item 59 second appeal filing number 7318 of 2024.
Same order.
Item 60 second appeal filing number 8766 of 2024.
You earlier had filed one application, delete the name of lot number 1, you had that.
When?
Lot
When did he die?
that nurture the other keys, other 19. Judgment is the 3rd February 2015.
अपीला नंबर 1 को डिलीट करने के लिए गए थे।
हाँ, मर गया।
And the legal years?
Second year implementation.
IA number 5895 of 25 has been filed for deletion of the name of the applicant number 1 who died after the passing of the judgment and decree by the learned first appellate court. इनका कोई लीगल ईयर वगैरह नहीं है. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that. So far as appellant number 3 is concerned, he has not executed the wakalatnama and therefore he may be arrayed as pro forma respondent in this case. Considering therefore its submission, the name of appellant number 1 is directed to be deleted. At the risk of the appellant and subject to any objection that may be raised. So far as appellant number 3 is concerned, the appellant number 3 is permitted to be arrayed as pro forma respondent. The counsel for the appellant, IA number 5895/25 is hereby allowed. Counsel for the appellant is directed to delete the name of the appellant number 1 from the cause title and 1 and 3 from the cause title and insert the name of appellant number 3 as pro forma respondent in the memo of appeal. It is important to note that the
after filing this IA, respondent number 3 has issued the plan.
कहाँ
डाले
कब डाली
डाले 5/8/25 इसको टोटल वाला जिसको डालना है ये डालना है.
अच्छा वो प्रेयर जो है ना रिस्पॉन्डेंट नंबर 3 का अपीलान नंबर 3 का वो नहीं करना खाली अपीलान नंबर 1 का डिलीट करने का ऑर्डर. ठीक है आइए क्लोज. अब बाकी सब डिलीट
वो सब किए हुए हैं एक लिमिटेशन है उसका मुस्तफा दे दिया 4000 1172.
The counsel for the appellant has submitted that there are no surviving defects. The appeal is barred by limitation, for which the petition being ID number 5855/25 has been filed, seeking condemnation of delay of 1172 days. Issue notice to the respondents in the interlocutory application as well as in the memo of appeal, for which recusals been filed, to post an ordinary process within a period of 15 days. दोनों में नोटिस कर दिए
2 week
2 हफ्ते दिया 2 week rent. Both process, speed post and ordinary. IA में भी और सेकेंड अपील में. ये सेकेंड अपील में अभी नोटिस नहीं कर सकते ना जब तक सब्सटैंशियल क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ नहीं बने. सिर्फ IA में फर्स्ट अपील में हम कर देते हैं नोटिस, सिर्फ IA में करें. हाँ पोस्ट ऑन 8 January awaiting submission.
Item 61, second appeal, filing number 8843 of 2024.
Bishop, for each time may be given to refer facts as the advocate not important, Miss Shruti stays in Delhi because her husband is unwell.
Same order कर दीजिए. There is a preemptive time. By 9th of, I've given you more than 4 weeks time.
The leadership, preemptive time will not be given, your leadership.
No.
Given the circumstances, your leadership, her husband is not well. She's in Delhi, your leadership. After 4 weeks, your leadership.
Your submissions are correct. Are you sure? You're not sure. And I know that your submissions are not correct. Right? How much time do you need? How much of practice have you put in? How many years of practice have you put in?
7 months.
Remember it for all times. एक भी झूठ हमसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. अब बीमारी के नाम पे बिल्कुल मत बोला करना. Anyways, we'll take it. How much time do you need to remove the defects? I'll just
4 weeks.
Huh?
4 weeks.
4 weeks. I'll give you 8 weeks, but the order will be preempted. I'll give you 6 months time, but the order will be preempted. You want 6 months time? I will give you no problem because if there is some personal difficulty, there could be some misinformation from my side also. So I'll give you 6 months time. There is no problem, but the order will be preempted. Correct? I'll give you time till 1st of May 26. Correct? Is that okay? 1st of May 26 तक का टाइम दीजिए. Preemptive order है to remove the surviving defects. If the defects are removed within time, post on 6th of May.
Item 62, second appeal filing number 8948 of 2024.
Yes.
Your six, I'm praying for not today. My senior, Mr. H.K. Mehta, is not in this.
What is there in the defective
I have
petition?
strict instructions from my senior that he will attend this case.
Okay. When you want.
Any day in the next week.
Are you there for the respondent in this case?
But I'm appealing for some of the respondents.
What is so serious about this matter? That some senior counsel has to act?
But there is nothing serious. But your lordship may kindly see IA on which the notices have been issued. 6177.
That is IA for?
But IA for in view of order dated 3/4/2025, what they have stated, giving details of the legal aids. And in para 9, your lordship may kindly see along with the memo of opinion. IA 6177.
This IA was filed for ignoring the defects.
And senior कोई बैठ सकता है पता नहीं क्या है At the request of the counsel for the applicant, the matter is adjourned and is directed to be posted on 5th of January 26.
Item 63, second appeal, filing number 10420 of 2024.
Same order but 20. और next date हमने कौन सा दिया?
4th तक हो गया.
5th of February. अभी just आए हैं क्या? एक order लिख लीजिए बाकी सब same order. Time till 9th of January is granted to the applicant to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate interlocutory application in connection with one or the other defect. If this order is complied, post this case under appropriate heading on 5th of February 26.
Item 64, second appeal, filing number 10523 of 2024.
Same order कर देंगे. फ्रेश वकालतनामा की जरूरत पड़ेगी.
Item 65, second appeal, 10642 of 2024.
Same order.
Item 66, second appeal, 10644 of 2024.
Paying for 660.
Same order. Same order. They are all pre-entry orders. 9th January तक का आपके पास है.
Item 67, second appeal, filing number 10688 of 2024.
846 will
Same order.
Item 68,
Yes. Same order.
9th January.
9th January तक का टाइम है. Date.
Item 69,
Once a driving defect, I'll remove the pregnancy.
Authentication.
That has been
CC of judgment of trial court will be filed along with authentication. Same order.
Item 70, Item 71, second appeal 1118-67 of 2024.
Same order. Same.
Item 72,
Same order.
item 73,
Same order.
item 74,
Same order.
item 75,
Same order.
item 76,
Same order.
item 77,
Same order.
item 78,
Same order.
item 79,
Same order.
item 80,
Same order.
item 81,
Same order.
item 82,
Leadership in instant of the RC few weeks time.
Same order.
item 83,
Same order. अब इसमें डेट चेंज करेंगे अगला 83 के बाद, राइट? अब इसका नेक्स्ट डेट होगा आपका 5th तक तो हो गया ना, 9th होगा.
item 84,
Same order. नाइन्थ फरवरी को जाएगा.
item
ट्रेन
85,
टाइम 9 तक ही है.
item 85,
Same order. Same order.
Item 86.
Same order.
Item 87.
Same.
Item 88.
On behalf of appealing number 4, substitution petition has been filed. And names of the legal heirs representatives have been mentioned in the supplementary affidavit in that context. IA number 7664. Time will be given, I will try without comma.
He died prior to filing of the appeal.
Right.
You have filed wakalatnama on the
I
letter.
have not filed any final.
You filed wakalatnama.
Time will be given.
How much time do you need?
4 weeks time will be given.
At the request of the counsel for the appellant, इसका अलग ऑर्डर है और तो कोई डिफेक्ट नहीं है आपका This case on 5th of January 26.
Item 89.
Same order.
Item 90.
Same order.
Item 91.
Same order.
Item 92.
This is all defects have been removed. One defect is not. Defect relating to party details of respondent number 18. CC of decree under appeal has not been made party member. But IA 12156 2025 has been made.
What is the reason? What have you stated in the idea?
Before filing the appeal manual, she has been died and she has also been deleted in appeal manual.
She was deleted in appeal.
Yes.
And the defect is in connection with appellant number
1A.
And what is the defect?
Defect is respondent number 1A of CC of decree under appeal has not been made party in memo.
Then the decree is incorrect. Correct? No, decree is incorrect. So it has to be sent back for correction. Okay. Essay number, essay filing number 13547 of 25. Counsel for the appellant. Sorry?
2020.
Okay,
Essay
2020.
filing number 13547.
13547 of 2020. IA has been filed bearing number 12156 of 25 for ignoring the defect in connection with the regarding respondent number 1 that is A of the certified copy of the decree of under appeal having not been made party in the memo of appeal. The learned counsel has submitted that as per order dated 15/5/24 passed by the learned first appellate court, the name of respondent number 1 with bracket A, namely Sanijo Devi, was directed to be deleted from the memo of appeal. However, the same correction has not been carried out while preparing the decree. It submits at the defect page note. Considering the aforesaid submissions and having gone through the order dated 15/5/24 passed in civil appeal number 5 of 23 by the learned first appellate court, the defect, the aforesaid defect is ignored. However, the office is directed to send back the appellate decree for necessary correction. Post on 5th of January 26. And that.
Sorry, my lord. In serial number 86, my lord, one prayer for the ignoring of the defect.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता।
my lord, display board ने काम कर रहा था हम।
Item 93. Second appeal, file number 136.
इतना सारा मैटर्स लगा है, my stenographer will get completely confused.
इग्नोर
करने के लिए आइए फाइल करिए और आइए फाइल करके मेंशन करके 9 जनवरी के पहले लिस्ट कराइए, हम इग्नोर कर देंगे, करने लायक होगा।
तो डिफेक्ट में हमारे कोई एड्रेस पर्सन जो है वो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी वो नहीं कर सकते, यही इसी का।
देखिए इस तरह से नहीं हो सकता।
Item 93.
सेम ऑर्डर। डिस्प्ले बोर्ड की भी काम करना होगा।
Item 94.
आप डिस्प्ले बोर्ड पर ध्यान दीजिए, एग्जैक्टली सेम नंबर दिखना चाहिए। हाँ बताइए। सेम ऑर्डर कर दीजिए।
Item 95.
सेम ऑर्डर।
Item 96.
सेम ऑर्डर।
Item 97.
आइए बाकी टिकट आप पहले सारे टिकट रिमूव करें। Substitution of appellant number 4. He died when?
Just before 2 days of pronouncement. Pronouncement के ठीक 2 दिन पहले।
Arguments के बाद?
Argument के बाद।
तो उनके लीगल ईयर स्टाफ ने ऑलरेडी पार्टी बनाया हुआ है। कौन है वो? अपीलान नंबर कौन है वो?
नंबर 8, 9 and 10।
8, 9 and 10। आपने डेथ सर्टिफिकेट लगाया है?
Yes, sir।
आइए नंबर कौन सा?
आइए नंबर 11,448।
आइए नंबर 11,448 of 25। इनका तो डिफेक्ट भी लगा होगा। इनका डिफेक्ट कौन सा है? इसका डिफेक्ट नंबर?
डिफेक्ट नंबर 178।
The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the aforesaid interlocutory application has been filed in connection with defect number 178. He submits that the appellant number 4 इनको अपीलान भी बना दिया आपने?
Yes.
अपीलान नंबर 4 पे शेख सलीम,
नहीं लिखो, उसको नहीं लिखो।
अपीलान नंबर 4 कहाँ थे वो? आप इंटरलोक्यूटरी एप्लीकेशन में अपीलान नंबर 4 लिखे हैं। अपीलान नंबर 4 before the first appellate court.
Yes, sir.
Namely, Sheikh Qayyum
Yes, sir.
had expired just 2 days prior to pronouncement of judgment.
Yes, sir.
He expired on 26/8/24. The death certificate, the document, the death certificate has been placed on record. The learned counsel submits that accordingly, his legal years have been are the appeal number 6 to 8 to 10. 8 to 10 in the memo of appeal. He submits that defect number 178 be ignored and the appeal number 8 to 10 be permitted to pursue the appeal. Considering the posted submissions, the defect number 178 is ignored and appeal number 8 to 10 is permitted to pursue the appeal subject to any objection which may be raised by the respondents. और क्या है? नहीं, एक और डिफेक्ट है सर्टिफाइड कॉपी का कंप्लीट एड्रेस
वो आ गया, नोटबुक से आ गया, सिर्फ उनको वेरीफाई करना है।
इट विल बी सेंट डाउन आ गया है?
आ गया।
So far as other defects are concerned, time till 9th of January is granted. वही वाला same order. सारा करे डिफेक्ट रिमूव करिए, उसके बिना नहीं हो सकता ना। Technically it is not possible. Yeah, as a matter 9th of February को. Substitution allow, वो आइए allow कर दीजिए।
Item 98, second appeal 86 of 2025.
Yes. Same order.
Item 99, second appeal file number 169 of 2024. 5.
Same order.
Item 100.
Sorry?
Take time to note the defects, it has to, the necessary correction has to come from the law planner.
Okay. Filing essay number 170 of 25. Office is directed to send the certified copy of the judgment of the original suit was sent down to the court below, which returned after correction. It has already been returned. Same order type.
101.
Lordship, there's a defect with respect to court fees, Your Lordship. And there's a limitation application, there's a delay of 27 days.
Same order कर देंगे. But the पैसे नहीं. अब अभी आए ना. Filing number AC 246/25. The London Council for the time till 9th of January is granted to the applicant to remove the surviving defects or to file appropriate interlocutory application in connection with the defect credited. If this order is complied, post this case on 10th of February.
Item 102, second appeal 524 of 2025.
Same order. Same order ठीक है ना?
Item 103,
Same order.
item 104,
Same order.
item 105,
Same order.
item 106,
Same order. जरा इनके जो स्टैम्प रिपोर्टिंग करते हैं सेकंड अपील का हमको जरा बुलाइएगा.
item 107,
सेकंड अपील फर्स्ट अपील दोनों का एक ही लोग करते हैं.
Lordship, this court fees has to be.
There are other defects also.
Yes, Lordship.
Same order.
item 108,
Same order.
item 109,
Same order.
item 110,
Lordship, in this two court fees has to be paid and the bills will be removed.
Same order.
item 111,
Defect number 25, Lordship. The office has pointed out that the appellate now score of the judgment rendered decree is more to meet party loss. I will file appropriate application, Lordship. As so far the other defect is concerned, Lordship, I will remove.
Same order.
Liberty may be given to file appropriate application.
हर एक ऑर्डर में है लिबर्टी, लेकिन ये इस लिबर्टी को आपको 9th जनवरी के पहले एक्सरसाइज करना है.
जी.
कोर्ट में मेंशन करके लिस्ट करा के ऑर्डर कर लेना.
जी.
नहीं कराइएगा, फाइल करके छोड़ दीजिएगा तो आपका केस डीएमटी हो जाएगा. इसीलिए थोड़ा लंबा टाइम दिया है, 1 हफ्ता 1.5 हफ्ता का टाइम नहीं.
item 112,
Same order.
item 113,
Penalty should except for defect number 68, the other defects are surviving based on time to remove the surviving.
Same order.
Yes.
item 114,
Same order. Same order.
item 115,
Same order.
Item 116.
Same one.
Item 117.
Same one.
Item 118.
Two surviving defects in leadership regarding code fees and authentication fees. Same one will be first.
Same.
Item 119.
Same one.
Item 120.
Same one.
Item 121.
Same one.
Item 122.
It's 21 minutes, highly has been filed for loading difficult create. Certified copy of degree was required once we have applied, and the student be informed by the copy section that degree is not available. We have next step would be 9 minutes. Back to
IA number 110002 of 25 in filing number second appeal 2672 of 2025. This petition has been filed seeking loading defect number 68. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that has referred to the enclosure to the interlocutory application and has submitted that as per the copying section of the concerned district court, the appellate court's decree is not available.
yes,
The appellate court's decree is not available. The appeal was dismissed.
yes.
The learned counsel submits that the defect may be. Considering the submissions, the defect number 68 is ignored for the present. Decree must have been prepared. You have filed a certified copy of it. Earlier, no.
Yes, we have not been supplied with the decrements. Time will again we went, and then this was supplied to us.
The concerned district judge, कहाँ के district judge हैं? The PDJ Bokaro is directed to look into the matter and furnish a report as to why the decree is not available in the records. The office is directed to forward a copy of the interlocutory application along with its enclosure to the concerned court. Other defects? Office is directed to place this case under appropriate heading on 5th of January 26. आइए disposed of.
Item 122.
सेम ऑर्डर करेंगे तो पहले चल जाता है.
Item 123.
सेम ऑर्डर.
Item 124.
सेम ऑर्डर. सेम ऑर्डर.
Item 125.
Defect number 176, name of you is missing. That's the C of
176.
6.
Filing number SA 2771/25. With respect to defect number 176, let the certified copy of the appellate order be sent back to the concerned court for correction. The office shall point out the defect by sending the certified copy. Other defects? So far as other defects are concerned, the time till 9th of January is granted to remove the same or to file appropriate interrogatory application in connection with such defect thereto. If this order is complied, post this case on 9th of February. 10th February. 10th.
Item 126.
और 126 से चेंज कर देना नंबर.
Yes.
126 से 11 फरवरी करेंगे. सेम ऑर्डर.
Item 127.
Same order.
Item 128.
Same order.
Item 129.
Same order.
Item 130.
Same order.
Item 131.
Same order.
Item 132.
Same order.
Item 133.
Same order.
Item 134.
Same order.
Item 135,
Same order.
item 136,
So far as the court is concerned, I have 5 court fee yesterday.
So what about others? Rest of the defects are removed. Yes, you have to remove rest of the defects.
I have to remove some defect.
Yes, there is a preemptive time to do so. By 9th of January. Same order.
item 137,
Same order.
item 138,
Same order.
item 139,
Same order.
item 140,
Same order. Same order.
item 141,
सेम ऑर्डर इसका डेट चेंज करिए इसका डेट कौन सा होगा अभी कौन सा डेट दे रहे हैं 11-12 फरवरी
item 142,
सेम ऑर्डर
item 143,
Defect number 183, the certified copy of address of respondent number is incorrect. Same has to be corrected by the email.
डिफेक्ट नंबर 183
183.
judgment and decree in both it is missing filing SA number 4882 of 25 the office is directed to send the judgment and decree of the learned first appellate court to the concerned court for necessary correction. The office should point out the defect. Other defects, the remaining defects be removed by 9th of January 2022. Post on 12th February.
item 144,
There is only 2 defects, I will remove the defects.
Same auditor.
item 145,
Same auditor.
item 146,
Same auditor.
item 147,
Same.
Same auditor.
item 148,
Right. Same auditor.
item 149,
Same auditor.
item 150,
Same auditor. Same auditor.
item 151,
Same auditor. Same auditor.
item 152,
Same order कर दे Same order. Next.
item 153,
Same order. Same order.
item 154,
Defect number 61 and 175. 175 details and address of respondent number 6 does not find place in CC of D3. इसमें not certified copy of trial court judgment may be filed with है उसको फाइल करवा देंगे 2 week देंगे. Defect number 550 remove that.
इतना ही तो है आपका खाली 61 ही तो डिफेक्ट है एक ही डिफेक्ट बचा है
हाँ
सर्टिफाइड कॉपी ऑफ द जजमेंट ऑफ ट्रायल
तो
बाकी तो कुछ नहीं
तो week देंगे.
सेम ऑर्डर करें
Item 155.
Same order.
Item 156.
Same order.
Item 157.
Same order.
Item 158.
Let's say this carbon effect is related to the suit value in the decrease of the trial court and the So, it was reported by the shampoo holder that it would be sent to the concerned groups for making the necessary corrections. And post that.
Filing AC number 6069 of 25. The office is directed to send back the decree of the trial court as well as the appellate court for necessary correction. After pointing out the defect, post on 5th of January 26.
Item 159.
Same order.
Item 160.
Same order.
Item 161.
Same order.
Item 162.
Same order.
Item 163.
Defect is only pertaining to both PCH.
There are other defects also. Same order.
Item 164.
There are three defects pending. For one, it's both along with the Indian order in the certified form. For that, I'll flag the claim. We've already filed it. With respect to defect number 27. With respect to other two defects, we'll file IA 1037 of 2025. Respondent number, appellant number 1 in the decree under appeal has not been made party because he died before passing of the judgment in the appellate court. For that we find his IA. His son has been
Before passing of the judgment.
before passing of the judgment. We have stated that he died somewhere in the month of May 2019. The decree has been prepared in 2020. But no death certificate has been prepared. Therefore, we cannot state the exact date. We stated it is somewhere in the
Of the respondent.
His son has been made as pro forma respondent number 5. So those two defects are with respect to same.
What about other defects?
One is with respect to certified copy of the impute order along with both fees are certified.
So you find
That has been
that
filed.
filed.
That has been filed. 6 has been
67 is partly removed.
we have filed it.
I do not know. Defect number 67 is partly removed. You verify the record.
I have seen it. We filed the reviewed order along with the
ये भी नोट बनाया है ना, इनको बुलाइए और इनके साथ बैठाइए, समझ लीजिए क्या पार्टली रिमूव है क्या. It will come some other day, but you just find it out because he says partly removed. We do not know which part is yet to be removed.
Item 165.
Defect number 25 will subsist, that is regarding the applicant number 6 was not the made a party. But during the subsistence of the appeal notes, the appellant had died. He was not made party then. They did not inform the council then. So now we are filing an application.
You were the applicant or you were the respondent?
Applicant.
Before the first applicant was, but the council was not informed.
Not informed. So we are filing an application. 7 of
Is there any other defects?
No.
God reject.
Yes,
essay number 6, filing number 6826 of 25. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the appeal is defective on account of the fact that appellant number 6 has not been made party in the memo of appeal. He submits that appellant number 6 before the first appellant was God Rajak, who died on 23/3/2018, and he was not substituted at the appellate stage. Though the present appellants are the she has also submitted that for that purpose IA number 10071 of 25 has been filed, along with the petition being IA number 10077 of 25, seeking condonation of delay. There are no other defects. Considering the submissions late, notice be issued to the respondents on the IA number 10071 of 25 and IA number 10077 of 2025 for which requisites under speed post be filed. सब एक जगह के हैं.
all from children.
Yes. Requisite under speed post be filed within 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks. Post on speed post and ordinary process कर देंगे. ठीक है? Speed post and ordinary process within 3 weeks. Post on कौन सा डेट दे रहे हैं हम लोग? अभी कौन सा डेट चल रहा है? 12th April.
Item 166, second appeal, 6836 of 2025.
आपने ये petitioner लिखा हुआ है उसको सब डिटेल जस्ट नहीं
Same order.
उसको सब डिटेल
आपको जब मन हो करिए अभी भी कर सकते हैं. 9th January तक आपके कंट्रोल में.
Item 167.
Same one.
Same order.
Item 168.
Same order. क्या है ये डिग्री वगैरह क्या?
डिग्री कोर्ट में निकाल सकते
सेम ऑर्डर कर दीजिए, फ्रेम फ्री है, ध्यान देंगे। वो पता चल रहा है क्या सर्वाइविंग, उसको नेक्स्ट डे पोस्ट कर देंगे। आप समझ लीजिए, इसमें जो करना है कर लीजिए, ठीक है। इसको नेक्स्ट डे पोस्ट टुमारो नहीं, नेक्स्ट। आज तो आपका केस टेकअप नहीं है। ये जो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो रहा है ये देख कर।
We could understand this. There's so many orders pending for one of few defects.
तो कितना लोग इसी में इसी चक्कर में लोग मर
या तो दोनों साइड हम लोग हैं कल के लिए करके तो फिर नॉट नेक्स्ट वीक ऑन सेकंड आई हैव पर्सनल
नहीं, हम लोग को कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं।
हाँ कल के लिए
सब्जेक्ट टू
हाँ व्हाटएवर इज
कन्वीनियंट।
कौन सा वाला, पहला वाला केस?
फर्स्ट वन 85 मिनट।
हम ऐसे है, वो बैच में अभी बहुत उलझे हुए हैं, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा। इनको इसको नेक्स्ट वीक ही आने दीजिए।
नेक्स्ट वीक खाली सेकंड के बदले कोई ऑडिट ये तो सेकंड आई हैव डिफिकल्टी नॉट पर्सनल
सेकंड कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग सेकंड हो रहा है क्या?
सेकंड का
तो सेकंड के बाद रखना है।
सेकंड के बाद कोई
नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक कर दीजिए। इनका कौन सा वाला केस? सीरियल नंबर 1। सीरियल नंबर 1 का नहीं,
नॉर्मली कभी होता है कि सप्लीमेंट्री आ जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिक सेकंड स्टार्ट।
इसको सुने थे ना?
हाँ थोड़ा सा सुने थे, बस पार्टीशन सूट कर रहा है।
1 तारीख को रख।
हाँ
Serial number 1 with the consent of the parties post this case on 1st of December. अब ये सब में क्या है?
But second I'm still going because this is my father's, so second I will not be coming to the board. तो जो एक बार स्पिल ओवर हो गया सेकंड के लिए तो
नहीं, एक के बाद स्पिल ओवर करके सेकंड नहीं करेंगे।
हाँ सेकंड बस खाली सेकंड से
स्पिल ओवर होगा ऐसा, तो ऐसा पर्सनल ग्राउंड पे ऐसा होगा।
इसलिए नोट सेकंड नंबर
अब
हाँ so second we tend to stay with my mother only that day.
Yes.
There is a small children.
Acceptance. हम लोग करते हैं 3 तारीख को। उसको अभी फर्स्ट को रखते हैं। सीरियल नंबर 2
आइटम 2
इसमें आइए है, क्या है ये आइए?
आइए है और एडिशनल सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन होगा।
आपने फाइल किया है?
हाँ इधर यह फाइल दिख रहा है।
अब से नेक्स्ट डे सुनते हैं। 5 मिनट बचा है, आगे तो ऐसे नहीं कर पाएंगे।
नहीं यहाँ तो बहुत सवेरे से तो लगी।
नहीं, हमको इतना आश्चर्य हुआ कि कितना डिफेक्टिव केस पड़ा हुआ है। अभी तो और है।
और है पेंडिंग, ये तो कभी लिस्ट हुआ है।
इसीलिए सोचे कि इस साल कम से कम ये ऑर्डर कर देते तो नेक्स्ट ईयर सब रेगुलर एक लिस्टिंग हो जाता सब। बहुत सारे सेकंड अपील करनी है। आयुष आदित्य कहाँ चले? देखिए आप लोग के जितने पुराने केसेस है ना, मतलब वी डोंट डाउट योर कॉम्पिटेंस एट ऑल, राइट? लेकिन फिर भी एक एमाइकस हम एक जूनियर को अपॉइंट करना चाहते हैं। ही विल लर्न इन द प्रोसेस, ठीक है? और थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड चेक करेगा कि भाई कब किसका डेथ हुआ, कब क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन हुआ, नहीं हुआ। इसके लिए ना बहुत ज़्यादा इसी वजह से जजमेंट्स करने में और करेक्शन करने में, पार्टी पोजीशन बनाने में मेरे स्टेनोग्राफर को 1 दिन लग जाता है।
Probably I have given number.
हाँ, you have given the number and the list.
At least 10 or 12 members are there.
इसमें से किसी को तो अपॉइंट करते हैं।
20 से ज़्यादा।
ये वाला ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड है ना आपका, वो वाला दिखाइएगा। जिसमें इनका भी नाम है आकाश जी। चलिए इनको अपॉइंट कर देते हैं।
करीब सब ग्रुप को जो सिविल करते हैं
हाँ
उनके लॉयर का नाम।
हाँ आप करते हैं ना सिविल, चलिए आपको अपॉइंट करते हैं, अच्छा काम है इसमें करने लायक, ठीक है। रिकॉर्ड्स आप चाहेंगे तो जब भी बोलेंगे तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा, लेकिन फिर मंगा के नहीं आए देखने ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, मंगा के आके एक बार देख लेंगे रिकॉर्ड और चाहे तो आज भी पूरा देख सकते हैं। लिखिए, इसमें लिखिए ना, विद द कंसेंट ऑफ द काउंसिल फॉर द पार्टीज पोस्ट ऑन 1st of December, considering the fact that the records are voluminous, काफी होगा ना इसका रिकॉर्ड तो, हाँ। And second appeal is of the year 1994. This court finds it appropriate to appoint one amicus in this case to assist this court. A request has been made to Mr. पूरा नाम बताइए, Mr.
आकाश के साथ ये भी रहेंगे प्रखर
दोनों अपॉइंट
प्रखर तो आप क्या जूनियर है ना, उसको नहीं अमेरिका से अपॉइंट करें।
नॉट ही इज माय ऑफिस जूनियर।
नहीं, ऑफिस जूनियर को नहीं अपॉइंट करें।
मैं ऑफिस
नहीं
जूनियर है किसी ना
आप
किसी के।
आप किसके ऑफिस नहीं, किसी ना किसी के, आप लोग दोनों तो पार्टी है ना। अमित सर कौन है? अच्छा अच्छा, और कौन है बताइए, आप करेंगे मैडम? इनको अपॉइंट कर देते हैं,
इनको कर दीजिए।
इनको टाइम मिलेगा आपको? नाम बताएं।
कृष्णा सर।
हाँ, नाम लिख दीजिए। Appoint MS so and so to assist this court in this case. She is present in the court and has readily accepted the request. Counsel for the appellant is directed to provide a memo of appeal along with the enclosure to the learned amicus. The learned court master is directed to make the records available for inspection of the learned councils as and when learned councils and the amicus, as and when such a request is made. पहले तो इम्प्यून जजमेंट अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे और सब्सटैंशियल क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ, ठीक है, इसके बाद ही को इसमें आपका नाम है? कौन सा है सीरियल नंबर? क्योंकि हमको रिकॉर्ड भी रखना पड़ेगा, हम किसको कृष्णा, योर नेम इज कृष्णा, ओके।